is, I keep saying, and I will not get tired of saying, health is devolved. Service delivery is done by the counties. We at the national level provide policies, guidelines, and directives. So when it comes with a relation between an employer and employee, especially for the health workers in the counties, then their employer is the county. So what we are doing as the Ministry of Health then is to mediate and negotiate that then whatever the health workers are asking for, the governors are able to provide. But in the long term, we are operationalizing something called the Kenya Health Human Resource Advisory Council, so that then it can advise the ministry, it can advise the president in terms of how do we deal with health workers across the cadres in this country, that there must be some form of harmonization in terms of how we deal with them. There must be some form of management of their welfare besides the counties doing what they are doing. And also this Kenya Health Human Resource Advisory Council will be able to be able to assist us in terms of placement for specialists, especially who are very scarce. Then we'll look at the disease burden and post the specialists. Otherwise, we'll continue speaking to them. And the health workers, the doctors, they are not foreigners in this country. They live in this country. His Excellency the President has said, as a country, we are in a bad state in terms of the economy. So it's for them to allow discussions to continue and for the President to steer the country towards economic recovery so that then some of these issues can be taken care of.